who know Monster Crew Review, you have seen us do some of this amazing Japanese kawaii kind of baking kits. So today we have one here that is, what is it, boys?
Hey yo, what's good? It's your boy Hunter Luke, and today we are gonna be trying some treats that we got from Pacific Mall, Toronto.
Again? Yes. So this here I think is a washing machine.
And then we got lollipops, flavored lollipop plum seed that are salted. Yeah,
these are so awesome. Guess what? Don't forget, of course, to subscribe to our channel.
Like.
Why? Because we're having a
1,000 subscribers.
That's right.
We're gonna do a giveaway.
We are doing a giveaway, so guess what? Like, we want to be able to give you guys these kind of treats to try. Yeah. We're gonna have so many treats in there that you're gonna be like shocked.
Box?
Yeah. Yes.
Obviously, it's a red color theme because I wanted the red and this guy wanted the white.
Let Lucas pick this one out. Don't talk poo.
Yeah. So the back shows you the instructions. Look, you come with some stickers again.
We just started back to school as well here in Canada. How do you like your teachers?
Yeah, she's pretty good.
Yeah. Here's the top. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Look at it. It says open. It's so cute.
And then,
let's see. Get close up here.
Oh,
that's the inside spinning mechanism.
Put this on top.
Yay, we almost have it completed. Then the stickers go on. Is that it? That's all there is?
No, there's one more.
Okay, so the boys were just stating that it only comes with one package of mixing laundry soap. Oh, right there is a...
Oh no.
So there it is. We got the finished product all decorated. Inside, yeah, good. Inside you have the spinning mechanism. Here is a little, yeah, good. So we're going to fill it. There's a line in there. We're going to fill it with water.
Okay, stop. Oh, I thought you mix it with the washing machine. How about you just dump the whole
close the
thing?
lid. Oh no, open the lid. Close the lid. I don't know what you do. Can I see the picture on the front?
Now you give me this. Yes. And then there.
Stop fidgeting with that thing.
Okay, so now you need to spin it.
More water because it just wasn't sudsing up like a regular washing machine.
Oh, look at that.
Is it sudsing? Open it. It says 2. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got bubbles for the. We got bubbles for our washing clothes.
Oh yeah.
Somebody taste it. Obviously, what's in there?
Oh, they put in their thing.
Baking soda.
Looks like a lemon flavor.
Lemon? No, that's neat. It's a really cute idea. It's a little fun product. It's neat
fun
to see it operate. Time for Mom to try. I don't like that. I don't like that. How are you guys saying you like that?
It's so good.
That doesn't taste any good.
Okay, so we're gonna do this now. The plum lollipops.
Yes,
but if you want to clean
Taiwan product.
I think these are gonna taste good.
So the lady said the mango has been very popular. Yeah. Somebody tell me.
Are you kidding me? This plum seeds like freaking a millimeter.
Okay, so it's got a salted plum in it, which also has a pit. That's good.
I can tell these are really popular. Yeah, these are good.
They are very popular in Japan.
Yo, look how small my plum seed is.
So it's nice with the sweet candy. The candy is very smooth tasting. It doesn't taste like a regular lollipop that Canadians are used to. It's like...
You mean Halloween?
No, I mean the candy itself. Like You're allowed to eat the plum, but the pit, obviously, you have to spit out. Now, they have original flavor. They have green tea, matcha flavor. They had mango. Very yummy and different. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I think next video we need to do another Indian review because we still have some Indian snacks that we haven't reviewed yet.
Road to 1,000.
Yes.
We want 100,000 likes. Yeah.
Yeah. Ha.